Once you have created a property, you can start adding paddocks. In this tutorial, we will look at how to add paddocks manually. Under the property, select the Add Paddock button. Find your property on the map by either entering a known address, use the Your Location if you are on the farm, or simply zooming into the map until you find it. When you are zoomed in, you will start to see green boundary lines appear on your map. These are indicative lines only. You can merge and/or edit the paddock boundaries once you have added them to your property in the next steps. To add a paddock, simply click on one of the paddocks and select Add to Property. Edit the details of the paddock as needed. The paddock code and name are auto-generated. You can update this as it's for your own reference, and the information will be available in your CDF app at harvest. The hectares are also indicative and can be updated. Once you have updated the information, select Add to finalise. You can edit paddocks at any time by selecting the Edit button. You can also add 2 paddocks at a time to merge them if they have an adjoining boundary. And you can edit the shape of the boundary by selecting the paddock and the Change Shape button. Use the white dots by clicking and dragging to move your paddock boundaries. Once happy with the shape, select the tick button to finalise. You can also delete a paddock by selecting the Delete button. If there are no boundary lines, you can use the rectangle tool to drag a paddock onto the map and reshape it. How detailed you want your paddocks is up to you. What's important is making sure the hectares are accurate, as this is what CBH will use to calculate the estimate tonnes for harvest. Once you've set up all your paddocks for your farm, you are ready to enter your crop estimate.